let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is my official Vlogmas video. I will be participating in Vlogmas to an extent. So I am going to be uploading my regular content, which is regular vlogs, regular degular. It may or may not include Christmas or holiday content. I also have some educational, informational home decor videos that I am going to be uploading in the month of December. But my goal is, don't hold me to it, but my goal is to upload a video that's dedicated to some type of holiday content at least once a week during the month of December. So this is the first like official video for the holiday content, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So I'm excited about this project. So I started off the video in Walmart, so I'm going to share a few things that I picked up from Walmart. My goal this year, well, my Christmas theme, I've thought about what my Christmas theme is, and it's going to be light. Is it whites and lights? Lights. It's going to be lights and whites. So throughout my living room area, my kitchen area, I am going to be incorporating a lot of lights and whites. I have tons of Christmas decor in my garage, but the goal was not to spend a lot of money on Christmas decor this year. And I did not necessarily want to use what I had. So I'm going with something very simple. It's not going to be like really Christmassy, but more more so in the, I guess, holiday, just a holiday type. So I'm going to be adding a lot of whites into my living room area and my dining room area, adding a lot of whites as well as the lights. So that is my theme, and I'm so excited. I think I shared on a few vlogs back, I shared with you guys that this was my inspiration picture for my trees. As you can see, I have like 2 trees behind me. I'm not doing any decorations on them. I didn't think it I didn't think it made sense, the fact that I don't have any, I do have grandsons, but they don't live with me. So I don't have any kids in the home this year for Christmas. It's just me. My son is living with his dad, although he's 17. I just wanted to have like a theme that was more of like a, you know, a grown adult theme. So in this particular video, I am going to be creating my own ornaments. So as I stated, you guys, I started the vlog off in Walmart, and you seen me looking for these inflatable balls. Now I was looking for some that were, you know, that were really solid, because I'm going to spray paint these balls. These are going to be my large size ornaments that I'm going to place up under my tree. So I purchased two. Okay, I got that one, and then I have this one. So at some point in this video, we're going to be going to the patio because we're going to spray paint these. I also purchased these shatterproof oversized ornaments, because I do want to have like a variation of ornaments or balls or whatever up under the tree. I did purchase 2 cans of spray paint. Okay, I purchased this is a white gloss, but I don't know if I'm going to use the white gloss. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint one, and I have the silver metallic, so it has like the bright shiny finish. I'm going to spray paint one, and if I really love it, then I'm going to spray paint the other silver, and I may just use all silver, and then I'll just take the white back. I also purchased a holiday soft soap. This is the candy apple scent. This is going to go in my primary bedroom's bathroom. Also, okay, lifestyle lovers, so I also purchased these Coupe Glasses. These were like $3 and something. I think they were like $3.62, but I purchased 3 of them. So at some point during this month, we are going to be making some holiday drinks. And I also purchased these mini ornaments. So what I'm planning to do is just kind of decorate our Coupe Glasses with these mini ornaments. And they had so many different kinds. I did share those at the beginning of the vlog. They have so many different kinds. But just to give you an idea, if you wanted to kind of create a festive look for either these glasses, or you have some glasses at home, you just kind of take the red bow. Oh, I got red. Take the red bow, and we're going to wrap it around the rim of the glass like this. Is it gonna fit? It might not fit, y'all. Okay, yeah, it does fit. I'm just gonna kind of twist it. So this is what I'm doing, y'all. Just gonna kind of twist it, because I think these are mini ornaments for the tree, I think, but we're not gonna use them for the tree. Okay, so this is how it looks. Look at that, y'all. Put it all the way down at the bottom. So at some point during Vlogmas, I am going to be making some holiday drinks, giving you guys some holiday recipes. And that's why I stated all of my videos are going to be dedicated to all of my Vlogmas dedicated videos going to be dedicated to the holidays. So I'm going to, when I make the holiday drinks, I'll add the bowls at the end. And I also purchased some, oh gosh, I got 2 different colors. Okay, so y'all know I'm a cool light girl, but I have a warm white light and a cool white light, but I'm going to probably return this and get the cool white light. But I am going to be decorating. I'm going to be using these lights on. I have 2 large size faux planter trees. I have one in my kitchen and one in my living room. So I'm going to be adding some lights to those. Not sure if I'm gonna do this in this video, but I might. But my main focus is to go ahead and create my oversized ornaments. I'm so excited to see how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to go ahead, take these outside on my patio. I'm going to start spray painting, and then I'll show you guys once I'm all done, how it looks once I'm all done. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is how it looks so far. I'm going to go in with one more coat, then I'll allow the bottom to dry, and then I'll go back in, flip it over, and then paint the bottom. And then I'll show you guys the finished look. It looks gorgeous so far. I love it. It looks gorgeous. But we'll just I'll show you guys how it looks once it's completely dry. Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Look how the balls turned out. They are so gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. This is exactly the look that I was going for. I wanted you guys to see the view from coming down my stairs because I keep my trees lit up all night long. That way, when I come downstairs, the view to me is just beautiful. It is just so beautiful. So this is how it turned out. Let me kind of back up. So look, y'all, that is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to get some smaller inflatable balls because I kind of feel like I want to add something right here in this area right here. I just feel like something needs to be there. So this is gorgeous. And I wanted you guys to see how the glasses turned out. Let me turn on some more light. This is how they turned out. So I'm definitely going to be using them like as a festive way to serve drinks to my guests when they come over. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that is going to be it for this dedicated Vlogmas vlog. I am on vacation today, so I am going to get ready to do some things on my day off. All of the supplies that I use in order to create the giant ornaments, as well as the kind of festive glasses, will be linked in the description box. You guys know that I purchase everything from Walmart. So, but I'll link it. I'll link it in the description box. But this is it for the dedicated Vlogmas vlog. So yeah, that's it. I will see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.